HTML Div tutorial. Start by opening Notepad++. Gonna get Notepad++ free off the internet, and I'll save this as div.html. HTML is hypertext markup language. Okay, save it as HTML because that is the language we're using. On my desktop, put it right there so you can see it. And I will begin by making a basic web frame. HTML opened, left arrow, right arrow, come several spaces down, and HTML close, just like that. The closing, the difference is the forward slash and the element. Okay, and then I'll make a body tag. Elements are tags. The closing body tag. Okay, just like that. It's okay if it looks complicated. It takes a few times to get used to it. Everything that is going to be placed inside the body tag will basically appear on the web page. Okay. Create a div. Div is short for division. You'll be calling it div. Okay, I can click save, but I won't be able to show it in the web browser because I have to attach a styling to it. Styling that we'll be using is CSS. CSS is short for cascading style sheets. Okay, I'll be using an inline CSS method. The inline goes here, and internal CSS method goes here. External will be on a different page. We'll just do this. Okay, space this out, and then style equal sign to quotation marks. We have to keep it a shape. The width is let's do 400 pixels. No, actually no. Let's do percentage. Let's do width is 80%, and the height is 300 pixels. And we have to give a background color because the default background color of a div is white, and also the default web page color is going to be white. So we have to do a background color. So like that has to be a hyphen. So you do width colon 80%, semicolon height colon 300 pixel, semicolon background hyphen color colon. Okay, with the color blue. This will be a very plain looking style. I won't be using any custom coloring on it right now. Okay, let me close it and show you what it looks like. Yeah, it looks fine. Just like that. Pause the video, rewind it, however. Okay, I'll be using Google Chrome. I would suggest you use Google Chrome. If you don't have it, you can pause the video and get it. You can try it on another browser. It works on some other browsers too. Now this is your first div. It's an HTML div. Div is short for division. That's a blue div. I'll show you how to round the corners off, how to make it into a circle. Do that right now. It's very easy. Hit it with Notepad++. It will help highlight any errors in your code. You can also use Microsoft Notepad, but I suggest Notepad++. You can find many programs, but I prefer Notepad++. Okay, the corners are corners there. We want it rounded off. Very sharp. It's called border radius. Okay, and we will set it to 20 pixels. Border hyphen radius colon 20 pixels. Okay, anytime there are two words at the first part of the CSS, it will be a hyphen to separate the words. You cannot do background color like that because there's no word for that. It has to be a hyphen to show two separate words. Okay, border radius is 20 pixels with a hyphen. Click save. I already have it. It's already linked. So see how it curves it up. So if that doesn't work, you can just drag it and drop it into there too. Drag and drop it up here to the address bar. Okay. Now let me show you. See, I have to change the width. Change the width to 300 pixels and show you how to make a circle. It's very simple. How to make a circle. Okay, the width, height, and border radius must match exactly. Must be exactly the same. 300, 300, and 300. And this is going to make a circle. That's all you have to do. See that? That is your first circle right there. Okay, let me show you how to do a shadow function. It's called a box hyphen shadow, and we will do 15 pixels. You have to do a space on the right side of the CSS, has to be a space, and on the left side has to be a hyphen if you have two words. Okay, this is going to be spaced. It has each of it. Section has to be spaced out. Let's do a light gray. Okay, it's light gray. It's light gray. And you can't go like this. You can't say light gray. It needs to be like this. Okay. Widen that out a little bit because it's just like that. Okay. So it is box hyphen shadow colon 15 pixels space 15 pixels space 15 pixels space light gray semicolon. Always put a semicolon at the end. Should always put a semicolon to separate each CSS. Each part of it. The background of the shadow, the box shadow is very faint anyway. So let's do this. I'm sure you should be able to see it. We'll have to make it a little darker that we can see it better. It's going to be easy to see on some devices like that. So let's just make it a little bit more pronounced. You can see a lot better now. I'll make it a little bit darker than that. And now you can see it a little bit. See it very well. See, it's a box, the box shadow. That's on a circle. Let's remove the border radius and actually see what this right here. That one right there. 3 pixels on the border radius. I want you to set it to 3 pixels, just like that. Okay, and the box shadow is only 5 pixels each for the 3. And then if you're trouble keeping up, just click pause. It's very easy to see that. Just read it off the screen. Copy exactly. And there's another box shadow. Yeah. Push off the page a little bit. It has a very slight border radius. Okay. Okay, let's show you something else we can do with it. With the width, you can make it wider than that. You can make a header or a footer, which there are separate functions for that too. I wouldn't use a div. You could use a div, but I don't need to. Okay, click save. The width is 100%. I'm going by percentage now. Okay, I'm going to show you why I do a percentage. If you do this, it makes the div narrower. You see it's still a little bit of gap there. There's no bar down here to scroll. It fits it to the page. It goes 100% across. 50% will cover half the page the entire way. Okay. Now I'll show you why I like to do a percentage. If we do, let's do 550 pixels. If you do pixels, it has a set width. Same thing with the height. Okay. Do that. Click save. If you have to pause the video, just pause it for a few seconds. Okay. Just like that. Do 550 pixels for the width. I'm going to show you why I don't usually use width, but you can. But I'll show you why. There's a set width. You see the bar right here at the bottom of the page. I'm going to have to scroll back and forth on a mobile phone, and you would have trouble seeing it. You would have to zoom in, zoom out, and scroll around. And that would get irritating very, very quickly. There's a set width. So you want to consider using a percentage. It depends on what you're doing, but it's a good rule to use that. It's going to be mostly it for this. Well, okay, that's 50%. That's half the page. It's going to narrow it to half the page. Just like that. Okay, this is your HTML Div. Show you how to do basic features, and also I showed you how to do CSS for this div. It's not an extensive CSS course. There are many other things you could do with it, but I'm showing you how to make an HTML div. Just like that, click pause if you need to. Remember, it has to be a .html file, div.html. HTML is hypertext markup languages. We're using version 5. CSS is this is the inline CSS method, CSS inline method, and the CSS is cascading style sheets. And the version is version 3. So CSS 3 and HTML5. CSS 3 is what the parent is, and HTML is the element. Okay. this browser. You can check my website, randymyers.me. It's M-Y-E-R-S. There are various ways how to spell my last name, but my name is spelled M-Y-E-R-S. It's .me. The .com version was not available, so I had to get .me or tutoring. And also, you can click subscribe and like. It'll be much appreciated if you've done that. Thank you for watching my video.